fryer baked potato. Crispy outside, fluffy inside. Hey potato lovers, ever wondered if there's a faster way to get perfect baked potatoes without heating up your entire kitchen? Today, we're exploring how air fryers are transforming this classic side dish, creating that irresistible crispy skin and fluffy interior in half the time of conventional methods. Have you struggled with baked potatoes that take forever in the oven or come out disappointing from the microwave? You're not alone. But what if you could have the perfect baked potato in just 30 to 40 minutes with minimal effort? Let's break down why the air fryer might just be the best thing that ever happened to baked potatoes and exactly how to make them. Traditional baked potatoes require a hot oven for at least an hour, using significant energy and heating up your kitchen. Microwave versions save time but sacrifice that essential crispy skin. Is there really a better alternative that doesn't compromise on quality? The air fryer delivers the perfect solution through its rapid air circulation technology. But does it actually work for baked potatoes? The results are genuinely surprising, and here's why. First, texture perfection. Air fryers create the ideal environment for baked potatoes by surrounding them with constantly circulating superheated air. This environment crisps the skin to a satisfying crunch while the interior cooks to soft, fluffy perfection. But here's the question everyone asks. Do they really get that crispy skin? With the right technique? Absolutely. In fact, many people find air fryer baked potatoes have better skin texture than traditional oven methods. Second, time efficiency. Did you know a conventional oven takes 15 to 20 minutes just to preheat, plus another 60 to 75 minutes to fully bake a potato? Air fryer baked potatoes need no preheating and cook in just 30 to 40 minutes total. That's less than half the time without sacrificing quality. Third, energy efficiency. What makes more sense? Heating an entire oven for over an hour or using a compact air fryer that uses a fraction of the electricity? The energy savings add up, especially during hot summer months when you don't want to heat up your kitchen. So, how do you make perfect air fryer baked potatoes? Here's the foolproof method. Step 1. Select medium-sized russet potatoes of similar size for even cooking. Russets work best due to their starchy interior and thicker skin. Scrub them thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt. Step 2. Dry completely with paper towels, then prick several times with a fork. The drying step is crucial for crispy skin development, while pricking prevents any chance of the potato bursting during cooking. Step 3. Rub each potato with a small amount of olive oil and sprinkle generously with kosher salt. This simple preparation creates that steakhouse quality exterior that makes a great baked potato so satisfying. Step 4. Place potatoes in your air fryer basket, allowing some space between them for air circulation. Don't pack them too tightly. For typical 5 to 6 ounce potatoes, cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Larger potatoes may need an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Step 5. Test for doneness by inserting a knife or fork. It should slide in easily with little resistance. Let the potatoes rest for 5 minutes after cooking for the best texture and to allow them to cool enough to handle. Have you tried making baked potatoes in your air fryer? What's your favorite topping combination? Drop a comment below with your potato secrets or questions. If this video helped you discover a better way to make this classic side dish, hit that like button, subscribe for more air fryer techniques, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest kitchen hacks. Until next time, helping you find smarter ways to cook the foods you love.